vencedor do Best Manufacturing Project é Scalable 4.0 do Grupo Simoldes. Muitos parabéns! E quem recebe o prémio, João Xará, Production Engineering do Grupo Simoldes. Bem-vindo!
Innovation keeps changing the world we live in, but there are still large challenges. One of the major quests in manufacturing is the drive for better efficiency. Come closer and take a look at this factory floor. It's producing two different products. When the lines were configured, the market demanded a higher throughput of the product A in comparison to product B. But what if the market demand has already changed? After all, this can happen in the blink of an eye. Look, here comes the production manager. He realizes that the production flow is not following the market demand, and the production flow of line B should increase. Analyzing both lines, he envisions that some robots should change lines. But it has to be done in 2 days. If only it would be that easy. The robot expert says he needs at least a week to reprogram everything. The automation expert needs to change the gripper and add a conveyor and a camera. The boss wants to know if this is the right decision and asks for data and simulations. Integration expert notes that he doesn't have access to the data because the machines are not integrated and simulations will be time-consuming. Yes, those time-consuming simulations. Don't you agree these should be problems of the past? With Scalable 4.0, they can be. Scalable is the new automation solution for flexible production systems that can be adapted to every need. It allows you to optimize, monitor, control, and construct production lines through visualization and virtualization, all at your fingertips. Let's check the factory again. The production manager can now verify how the robot will change the production if moved to the other line. He can also reprogram it and test its skills, and easily alternate between grippers according to the task in hand. Finally, he can monitor and control the factory floor and follow production in real time through the vertically integrated digital twin of its manufacturing plant that is the foundation for the scalable production system. These are exciting and challenging times that we are proud to embrace with a new way of doing things. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Scalable 4.0. Scalable automation for flexible production systems.